Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve this half cut crease. I don't really know what exactly to call this look right now, but I'm obsessed. I hope you guys are excited for this tutorial. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel now down below. And go ahead and hit the notification bell as well. That way when I upload a video, you get notified and you never miss out on any of the videos I have coming at you guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this makeup tutorial. Alright guys, so now that I brought you in a little bit closer, we can go ahead and jump right into the makeup look. Today I'm using the KARITY matte palette and I'm going to be starting off with the shade Whisper just to soften up my crease. And I'm using a Morphe R38 brush. As you can see, this doesn't really add a lot of color, it kind of just softens up this area for all the other transition shades. The next shade I'm going in with is Coquet or Coquette, and I'm going to be taking the same exact brush and doing the same exact thing. And I'm going to be using the same brush for this shade and the next two shades. The next shade I'm going in with is this orange shade Vegas, and I'm going to use the same brush. And we do want to go in with each color a couple of times because we really want to build it up, so don't be afraid to really pack on the shades. Now I'm going to take the shade Cancun and a Real Techniques little blending brush to apply this on my crease. I'm going to pick up the R38 just to blend out any edges. So before it gets cakey, I'm going to take the shade Luxuria and highlight my brow bone. Alright, I'm going to take the shade Lumbia, which is this really vivid hot pink color, and I'm going to use a Morphe M138 brush to apply this on my crease as low as possible to the crease as well. We're now adding dimension to this eye look. I'm going to take whatever is left on this Real Techniques brush and kind of just diffuse the harsh lines from that hot pink. Now I'm going to take some of this red color, NSFW. I don't know what that stands for, but I'm going to use that to kind of deepen the look just a little bit more. I'm taking a Luxie 231 tapered blending brush and a little bit more of that shade Cancun. I'm going to do a little bit detail blending. Okay, so that looks good right now. I'm going to take from their KARITY palette. This is the Rose All Day palette. They have a shade in here called Froze, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I'm actually going to use it just to highlight my brow bone right now, and then when I'm almost done with the eyes, I'll do the inner corner last. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some concealer and cut the crease. This cut crease is looking really, really good right now. I don't have anything else on the brush, but I'm just kind of taking whatever is on there and just like blending out the edges right there. I'll use my finger too. I'm taking a little bit more of that hot pink and I'm going to apply that directly on this outer corner, and then we're going to start working on the lid. So I'm going to dip back in again to Vegas, which is that orange shade, and I'm going to use a flat brush just to apply this to the center. And I'm using a BH Cosmetics brush. I got it in a set like years ago. When I mean years, I mean like over 5. Like it's been a while since I've had this like brush and the set. I don't have all the brushes anymore. I've just lost them over time, but I've never lost this one, and I need to knock on wood right now because I love this one to pack on shadows. Now for the rest of our lid, I'm going to take the yellow shade Tweety and apply it with the flat brush as well, and just apply it on that inner corner. This color has a lot of fallout for some reason. I think I may have picked up like too much, but I don't know if you guys can see. And this brush, I can't tell you where I got it. I stole it from my sister. But it is just a flat brush. So nothing too fancy or out of the ordinary. Just a pretty basic flat brush. Someone told me that this look reminded them of from The Lion King, like the opening credits. And I was like, you're so right. It really, really does. And I love that because Lion King was my favorite Disney movie growing up. Cats, obviously. Jungle Cats. It was my favorite movie, so when she told me that, I was like, oh, yay, I didn't even mean to do that. That was just an accident. All right, so we are almost done with the eyes. I'm gonna take a little bit more of that hot pink color and a really flat and thin liner brush. This one's from Eco Tools. I'm gonna just line where we cut the crease, if that makes sense. It just sort of defines that area a little bit more. So we're looking good. So we're gonna move on to wing liner. I'm gonna be taking my NYX, my trusty NYX matte liner, and this is the hardest part for me because I did a little wing on this side, which I'm obsessed with and I love because it doesn't take anything away from the eyeshadow. The tricky part, and the part that you're gonna see me attempt, is to do the same thing on this side. So let's just do it. I think we're okay right now. So we're almost done. This does not look that bad. This isn't that bad, so let's see. I'm gonna just clean up the wing and the side right here. So I'm gonna leave it alone before I ruin it. I think this looks okay right now. So now it's time for eyelashes, and today I'm gonna be taking by iiKON lashes, the style MARILYN, which is perfect for this eye look. And I'm gonna just pop on those babies with some lash glue. So that looks okay. I'm gonna coat my eyelashes with some mascara really quick. So for the lower lash line, you guys already know I'm gonna do the same shadows that I did on top, on the bottom, and I used some concealer to prep my lower lash line. So we're gonna just, you know, zoom right past this. I'm gonna coat the lower lashes with some mascara really quick as well. I'm gonna take that Frosé shade and highlight that inner corner. Alright friends, and that's pretty much the eye look done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation and everything else off camera really quick, and I will be right back to finish off with the lip color. So for today's lip color, I'm gonna take 2 of the NYX Liquid Suedes. I'm gonna take the shade Orange County and apply that all over my lips, and then take the shade Life's a Beach and pop it right on the center. Alright guys, I'm just going to wrap it up for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video and you like this look, go ahead and give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already, and I'll just check you guys out in my next one. Bye guys.